This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain the best protein powder for new gym beginners. Protein is a fundamental building block for your body, especially when you start exercising. It's crucial for repairing muscle tissue that gets broken down during workouts, helping you recover more quickly. For new gym-goers, ensuring sufficient protein intake can significantly boost your progress and overall well-being. Aim for about 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight daily. When exploring protein powders, you'll primarily encounter 3 main types. Whey protein is a fast-digesting option, perfect for post-workout recovery due to its complete amino acid profile. Casein protein, on the other hand, digests slowly, providing a steady stream of nutrients for several hours, making it great before bed. For those with dietary restrictions, plant-based options like pea, soy, or rice protein offer excellent alternatives, providing similar benefits. Choosing the right protein powder involves a few key considerations. First, think about your dietary needs. If you're lactose intolerant, a whey isolate or plant-based option is best. Always check the ingredient list for minimal added sugars and artificial sweeteners. Aim for a powder that provides 20 to 30 grams of protein per serving. Reading reviews can also help you find a product with good taste and mixability, making your routine more enjoyable. Incorporating protein powder into your routine is straightforward. The ideal time to consume it is within 30 minutes to 1 hour after your workout to maximize muscle recovery. Simply mix 1 scoop with 8 to 12 ounces of water or milk for a quick and easy shake. Remember, protein powder is a supplement designed to complement your whole food diet, not replace it. It's a convenient way to ensure you meet your daily protein targets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.